This coin sold for $3,818.75, and in this video I'm going to show you the smallest detail that nobody really knows about that allows coins like this to sell for so much money. Now, the first thing everyone needs to understand when it comes to the value of a coin is the condition. It goes without saying that the better the condition the coin is in, the more money it's going to bring. Here's the thing that not many people understand about the 1979 penny with an S mint mark. Really quick, S mint marked coins will mean that the coin was produced at the San Francisco Mint. Now, San Francisco will typically produce the majority of proof coins. You may be asking, what is a proof coin? I'm glad you asked. Here's the difference. A proof coin will have a shiny, lustrous backdrop versus a non-proof coin will not. I have an example on the screen of what the difference looks like. This coin right here is sold for $47. Now, if you found this coin in a collection, because you're not going to find a coin like this out in circulation in this good of a grade, it would not be worth sending off to get graded unless you have the type of coin I go over in this video. So again, 47 bucks, if they went to send it off to get graded, they would have ended up losing money after the sale. This coin right here sold for $660, and it's mainly because it graded at the perfect grade of 70. Now, it's incredibly hard to get the perfect grade of 70, but there's another small detail to look out for that will increase the price of a coin like this. So essentially, this coin can come in either a Type 1 or a Type 2 variety. As you can see, the first two coins I showed you were both Type 1 examples. This coin is a Type 2 example coin. Now, you may be asking, what is a Type 1? What is a Type 2? Here it is. So Type 1 coins will have the S mint mark look filled in. Now, a Type 2 coin will have what collectors call a clear S. If you have a 1979 S 1 cent coin that is a Type 2 clear S and it's in good condition, you're in for a treat, because again, this coin sold for $3,818.75. YouTube has a complex algorithm that knows exactly which video you should watch next, and that video is on the screen, so click on that video and I'll see you inside.